Who do we have here?
Anya.
Anya, what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of planes with strangers today. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Yeah.
You're crazy? Was this your idea?
No, it was not my idea, but I'm sort of crazy, I guess.
Participating today, huh?
Yeah.
Last words, final comments, confessions before we go in case we don't make it to your next birthday.
I love my family.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five right here. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Woo! Here we go. You ready?
Ready?
Let's get in. Let's get up. Let's get out here. Go have some fun. High five. Let's go rock skydiving. Oh, yeah. Woo! Have fun or what?
Yeah.
Gonna do it again?
Yep.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute if you ask me. Good job, Skydive, Colorado Springs. Woo!